All right, today we're gonna bring some overhead lights, and these are perfect if you have a table, a dining table, a kitchen, or anywhere you want to set them up. These are perfect. These are kind of like a teardrop. They fall from the sky, and you could extend the actual the connection even longer or shorter. We're gonna set it up today, and this is pretty much what you get. You get the actual base. This is where you're gonna actually set up the whole system. They give you the LED light. They give you the metal fixture that connects to here, and there's two, of course, two-tone colors. So you get to see black and then gold or brass, if you want to call it. This is pretty much like a rose gold. So to set it up is simple. They give you two connections. There is no ground on this one. There's only neutral and hot. That's pretty much what you get, right? The hot's the black one. The neutral is the white one. So we're gonna set this up and see how beautiful it looks. So first of all, let's go ahead and set up the actual light bulbs. All right. To set it up, it's simple. Just go in there and twist it. It locks in. Then what you want to do is twist these two together. All right. And that's the fixture. That's the whole fixture. Look how beautiful it looks. All right. This is gonna stand out in the kitchen if you have multiple ones. Say you have 3 or 4. These are perfect. So clean up the bottom, the light. You could adjust the line to however you want, but it doesn't illuminate the sides, only straight to the bottom. Straight the bottom, that's all it does. But look at this. Underneath, LED lights, very elegant. Got a couple of these, will make your dining table look beautiful. Very shiny light. I like how it illuminates the bottom pretty much. If you have like a dining table, it's going to be illuminating. It's a nice soft light. Setting up is easy. Just 2 cables, hot and neutral, and that's it. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.